I'd like to present the OL-450S. This is a new robot that we just released 2 months ago, and this is actually the first time we are showing to the public. So the name is OL-450S, and it stands for OmniLift 450S. So Omni, this is because it's the first robot that we released in Omron, the first mobile robot that can drive in omnidirectional movement. So basically, our other AMR series, the LD, MD and HD, can move only forward and backwards. But in case of the OL-450, we can move in every direction. So it can go, in this case, this is the front of the robot, so it can go forward, it can go backwards, but it can also move in the different directions. So this is why we call it omnidirectional robot. Then I said OL-450S, so OmniLift. In this case, the robot is coming already ready to use. So it comes with the lifter, integrated lifter. So in this case, the system integrator does not have to add anything on top. They can just get it and they can just start the configuration and programming. The lifter that is included here, it goes from runs from 108 millimeters to 308 millimeters. So it means that the range for the lifter is quite high, and it allows us to pick up a wide variety of cards, because this is what we need to, what we do with the OL-450S. We launched this robot in order to pick up cards in the factories. And these cards, the difference with the previous models that we released is that we can use it for existing cards. So basically, if we have a look at our standard classic AMR solution, the height is something like this, so around 370, something like that. In case of the OL-450S, since it's a low-deck solution, we can move the existing cards of the factories. Usually the card that we have has a height something like this, so we can just move underneath of the robot and we can just pick up and drop off the card. How we are detecting the card? We have a laser in the rear of the robot. We have a laser just above the safety bumper in order to detect the card, and with high accuracy system, we can just align with the card in a perfect way in order to pick it up. Another thing related to the robot is the safety around. Of course, we need to pick up the material, we need to drop off the material, and this is important to navigate around. But what is important is about the safety as well. So we have different safety sensors. The first one is the safety lasers that we have in the front of the robot. So we have one here and we have the other one in the other corner. So these lasers are used for navigation, obstacle avoidance, and also safety. So of course we can have laser safety around the robot, but not on the back of the robot. But in order to have safety in the back of the robot, we have this safety bumper. So if something happens, the robot will just stop due to the bumper. You can see that we have a mast here. I just explained about the light indicator, and we have another laser there. Why do we have this laser? We can move in a really dynamic environment. It means that the environment can change in the factory, so thanks to the lasers, the robot can adapt and can really know where it is in order to move around.